What's up guys, my name is Rebecca and I'm just gonna jump right into it. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to clean the most common types of juicers that we have at home, whether it's a centrifugal, which is the one that I have, or a masticating juicer. You can use these processes to clean both types of juicers. So let's jump right into it. Alright, so we all know that one of the main reasons why people don't juice at home is because of this mess right here. Because it does take some time to clean it all out, but once you get the process down, it's really easy, it's really simple. And I do try to make a bunch of juices at once, about 2 or 3 days worth at least, enough so it doesn't go bad. And then I'll clean my juicer. Now that I've dumped all of those nasty guts into the trash can, I'm gonna start rinsing off the container. And if you do have a garden, you can save this stuff for your compost. I have also put a little plastic bag in that part, so that when you're done juicing, you could just tie the bag and throw everything away. In the sink here, I just have some warm water and Dawn dish soap. And this particular juicer did come with a brush, a cleaning brush, but that is probably with all of those leftover Tupperware lids somewhere in Lost Land. And you can let these soak depending on the amount of food that you have stuck on it. You can let it soak in the warm water. But it's really easy. I just clean this, the plunger first. And then this little top part, I make sure I get into all those little cracks. It is really easy to clean, guys. When you have everything soaking, that's a good time to get some wipes and wipe down the base. Or if you have the refrigerator stainless steel wipes, I use some of those too. It makes it look really nice and shiny. So here I'm just continuing to scrub the top, and this is the part that is underneath where the blades are at. This stuff usually gets piled up right there in the spout and then in the top. And this part here is probably the most intimidating part to clean. It's really easy since it's been soaking. I'm going to start first by cleaning the center where the bigger blades are. And then I'm going to flip it over and scrub the back of it. So all those big chunks that can't get through the little strainer can just fall right through. So I'm just going to take my time, scrub around here, and then once I run the water down, everything will flush through. If you're interested in checking out some of my other videos, make sure to click the links down below. I do post a video every Tuesday, so be sure to subscribe. I appreciate all the love and support. I hope you have a wonderful, beautiful day, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.